Hello guys, welcome back. This is going to be a quick update for BTC and Ethereum price actions. As usual, we'll be going through bear and bull scenarios with exact levels. Hope you guys will enjoy the video. Before we start, as always, hit the like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Now without wasting time, let's dive in. It's nice to see that the alt market had a bit of pullback, which was needed, and let's not forget that no instrument goes up without a pullback, or vice versa. In my opinion, this is very healthy in the long run. As an evidence, one can go and see the previous bull market, which will help to understand the nature of the crypto market. Let's start from BTC this time, under a lower time frame. Yesterday, once we lost 47,900, 48,000, price sharply declined. And if we're going to look into a 1 hour time frame, we can see the BTC is trying to recover. Having said that, at the moment, half an hour time frame is trying to get out from the bear zone. However, it's quite risky to take a long. 1 hour time frame is in consolidation zone because this is our range. As you can see, this resistance zone 46,700 and 48,900 area. And in the past as well, that one you can see last week how long we've been in this channel. We went up a bit and we came back. So therefore, at this level, in the coming hours, maybe days, that's going to be a crucial area to watch. Let's not forget that we've got another support level down below us, which is 43,300 and 44,300 level. Do not forget that if we lose this level, this resistance, and you can see it, last 1 hour candle got rejected nearly dollar to dollar from the higher line of the resistance level, and as well as 4 hour time frame closed right from here. So having said that, under a lower time frame, one shouldn't forget, if we're going to lose this resistance level, then this time we just go straight to the south and visit highly likely 43,300, as I said, 44,300. As you see in the previous, last week we tested few times this level. 2 hour time frame, I can say that it is trying hard not to lose this level. Even if we lose it and we will go towards this zone, it will be considered just we're going to consolidation, and we will not enter into bear zone under 2 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is still bullish and healthy, and there is nothing to add about the 4 hour time frame. When it comes to the daily time frame, there is literally nothing to add. As you can see that we're still in an uptrend, and price action is very healthy, and minor pullback shouldn't shake you out. However, I would like to mention, at the moment I can see a beautiful candle forming, and you can see it. Yesterday we got a weekly close, bears pushed the price down, and bulls entire day were just pushing it up, which is evidence that bulls are in control in this market. If we're going to close with this pin bar, and that's very good sign. However, we will be following closely and we will see what will happen in the coming days. As long as I said, if we're going to manage to stay above the resistance zone, we are good to go to our target level, which I'm going to cover in a minute. Again, under a daily time frame, nothing changed. We're still following since March down this parabolic curve, and as you can see it, number of times, over 5 times it acted as a supported here, and as long as we can stay within this parabolic, there is a chance that we will go higher up. If we cannot manage to stay inside it, and if we get out from this parabolic curve, then there is a highly likely we will be testing lower daily support levels, and I will cover when the time comes. There is no sign of it yet. Weekly time frame is extremely healthy and bullish, and beautiful candle that we had in the last 2 weeks. As you can see, we have first bullish candle in the last week, and we've got yesterday, once we closed it, we've got super bullish another candle. And as I said, minor pullbacks during this week shouldn't shake you out because we're in bull market. So as I said, I won't be surprised if we see some sort of minor pullback after the last 2 weeks of green candles. Before we move on, if you want to become a professional trader or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense mentorship is available. It only takes you 5 to 10 hours with 4 weeks support as a bonus. Within this period of time, If you have any questions, it will be answered via a phone call. If you remember, we were following this minor support level for some time in the last week. As soon as we closed the weekly candle yesterday, we faced with a small dump, and as you can see that we held the level extremely well and we got rejected right inside from this channel. However, bear in your mind that these levels are changed and we don't need this minor support level anymore. We have this interesting rising wedge here. Make sure be aware of this, and you can see how it acted as a support and resistance. It was acting as a resisted and resisted again. So here down below yesterday we got supported and supported a few times and again supported. So we will be watching closely, and as you see, these are our new levels for the Bitcoin, and we will be watching closely how the price action will react to this rising wedge. At the same time, I'm following this parallel channel that, as you can see, it acted beautiful resistance from above, and median line, it's acting as a support at the moment. Previously it acted number of times supported from here. However, the reason that I'm following is just it matched with our horizontal support and resistance lines as well as my Fibonacci level. For the bullish scenario, nothing has changed. As long as if we manage to break and stay above under 1 hour time frame, our main target zone is still the same, 1618 golden Fibonacci level, which is 50,000 psychological level and 51,117. In the bearish scenario, if bulls fails to claim and stay below 48,000, then there is a chance that we are heading towards the south to the level of 43,000 and 44,000 level. However, bear in your mind that lower line of this current resistance is going to act as a support, which will be around 46,700. Overall, there is nothing to worry from these minor corrections, which is going to be a healthy and give us a chance to buy at a cheaper price BTC and altcoins. Moving on to the Ethereum, when we will look into a lower time frame, 30 minutes is trying to get bullish. Under half an hour time frame, we kept printing a lower highs, and as a result, we faced with this sharp dump. After sharp decline, you can see a V-shaped recovery. The same scenario you can see under the 1 hour time frame. So these are our new support resistance levels. At the moment it's acting as a resistance. You can see it hourly chart, we cannot manage to close above. However, even if we close, half an hour time frame is trying to get bullish, but 1 hour time frame is still under the control of the bears. So these are, as I said, our new support levels. The resistance zone is 1760, 1830. Below us we've got a support which is 1640 and 1710. And again, we can see it a lower highs. If we cannot manage at this time, and the next dump will be a bit heavier than this. 2 hour time frame, if we cannot break the resistance, as I said, highly likely we will be entered into a consolidation zone under a 2 hour time frame. When we come to the 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame is a bullish, there is nothing to talk about it. Daily time frame, we have a beautiful candle forming again, same as BTC under a daily time frame, and this shows bulls are controlling under a higher time frame and bulls are showing the market direction. Having said that, we have some time to close this candle. Let's not forget that we've got a still potential bear divergence under a daily time frame, and you can see the price is keep printing higher highs, RSI on the lower highs mode. Weekly time frame. Yesterday we closed the weekly time frame and it is the same as the BTC. We have very strong bullish candles in the last 2 weeks, as you can see. And again, I would like to remind you, if there will be minor pullbacks, that's going to be a correction under a lower time frame. However, it will not affect under a higher time frame. We came to an end of this episode, and if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.